you can quickly get up point solutions. Harjot and I talk about this. What we're doing is building the next version of the Excel problem, where you empower the business to get their job done in a very isolated, pointed, targeted way. But it just doesn't scale. The challenge is they can get there 100 times quicker than they used to. And now you multiply it by the 100 times number of people who can do it now. So AI is a force multiplier. I think we all understand that. So when your force is negative through data gaps or security gaps or lack of sustainability when it comes to handling library upgrades, something simple like that force is going to blow up in your face. But when you turn those aspects around and you have proper data governance, which again, you can use AI to get there. When you understand how to build a proper DevOps process, which you can use AI to get there, now you're talking about having a positive force multiplier.